Come on, Zeus. Come on, then.
You want to stay at Grandma and Grandpa's?
I live here now. This pup has found his soulmate in Grandma.
We're just going outside to go potty.
Jack, come here. Jack!
Bruh.
Someone had too many treats at Grandma's house.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, my God.
Am I getting a hug? A hug?
That's so sad.
It's the end of an era. He can return to Grandma's endless buffet.
You put your father. I gotta go.
This clever pup has found the hiding spot.
Want to go in your bed?
House? Moxie! She's gone. She's had. Oh my God.